Hey, welcome back, it's your boy Heatah and the flow sick with the whole fever.
It's your boy Hustla, you know that we live. Now drop a like and be sure to subscribe.
We're back, reacting to One Piece, and believe it, we're truly excited to witness the legend of Luffy, cause he's on a mission to prove he's the king of the pirates. Much love to the homie Kalayo, and thank you for giving your pledge. Now enough for the track, it's time to react, we're ready for what happens next. Got Coma on the way.
About to touch there. Oh, he might travel for a day or so, depending on how far it was.
That's such a fire ability though.
They're not even showing him in the paw.
No need. He just pulls up like Superman. Ooh. Oh, I thought he was gonna get some backstory to the Vegapunk. How?
Be it elusive. Right. Oh, true.
Facts. Thirsty.
For real.
He overstepped. Too much of a problem. He's still a big person. I'm in my bag. Who are you doing it for?
Countless.
Where should I start? You want to smoke with me? He's bragging now.
Yeah.
Right.
Right. Oh, I wasn't even gonna be an op.
He capping. You did this. Yup.
Yeah, come on. Yes, please.
I've been cooking. Screw Vegapunk. Yes, yes, yes.
Luffy already said yes.
It's our life. Who is? Oh, Zoro's on the ship.
Oh, probably, huh? Yeah.
Yes. I'll beat his face in.
Right.
Right. Please.
Let us be free. We can be friends again. Oh, it's bad. You still here with it?
Of course she is. And for good reason.
Arm got big real quick.
She got the sabo on her. I'm gonna beat his face in. He told you don't use it. She got the sabo.
Alright.
Dang. Got them on the team.
He's gone.
5 more to go. Oh yeah, including Vegapunk 6.
Gotta get the rocket up. Stop.
The red port. Flying to Saboti or the government headquarters.
You better hop the wall. He going straight
going
through
to
the red
Marie
line? Going straight through, bro.
Through the red line?
Or is he gonna come up through the bottom of Marie Joy? Oh no. He got knocked out.
Kuma. Oh hell, what was that?
His GPS got him acting up, bro. Stop. You about to crash into the red port.
Dang. So he was trying to fly to the Grand Line out of the New World. He was trying to fly to his old kingdom, Sorbet Kingdom. Kuma. Gotta get caught again. Sounding clunky.
Yeah.
Pull the taker.
Oh, terrifying.
Oh, don't be the tyrant.
Oh, they're raising the alarms too. Just hit yourself up again, bro. Oh. Dang, man.
Not like this.
He about to get caught again for real.
Dang. Said that on the loudspeaker.
He just want to get over the red line.
That's what I'm saying. Going to the Grand Line.
From the New World.
Yeah.
Yeah, because surely the Revolutionary Army's in the New World.
Yeah. And Kamabaka. Being hard-headed. Why not?
Right, what can you say to that? You hard-headed.
For real.
役人たちが出港ルートを塞いで回ってる島の船は全て抑えられるかもな。疲れぬうちに抜け出し逃げておきたかったが、あいにくベガフォース1はこの島内でしか
Oh, dang.
追い詰め叩く。
That's their plan.
敵角だ。
Trying to fight back.
Yeah, for real.
Get it back in blood. She probably got a whole proton cannon. Got that dog in him. Send out Luffy again. She lost in the sauce.
いいです。考えのない攻撃ならやめておけ。
Don't be a hoe.
目的は返り討ちではない。ステラを逃がすことだ。
Now who is Stella?
The main Vegapunk.
Oh, they call Vegapunk Stella. Who? Who they talking about?
I don't know, we got some ally out there.
He about to cook.
Oh, he's already calling for
Oh, he's
help.
calling him.
Dang.
Who is that? Oh,
Really?
they said she's hurt.
We're about to steal their ship? I mean, we're not gonna take the Straw Hats with us?
You stole my boat.
Actually, borrowed without permission.
That's a lot of y'all.
What a dream.
We ain't got enough beds for that.
Too much of a crowd. Dang. They put a hurting on her. She was down for the count.
She running the wrong way, too.
Hopefully not.
That's my
You
friend.
got a headache?
We lost Jinbei?
Yeah, for real.
What are we up to down here?
Oh, girl's pulling up.
The dome deactivated. Stop.
Ooh.
What?
It's a setup. An inside job. Who set us up?
We got hacked. We got hacked.
Shaka did it. Shaka. A conspiracy.
They gonna
run. Pull up if you dare. Oh, okay. There you go.
Well, you fly up there then, Kaku. You first.
It's a setup.
Alright.
He got trust issues. Can't Can't let him show you out. We all pulling up. Dang. Ooh, on Zoro.
And we in there. Yeah, you're right.
You're desperate. Somebody messed you up. Ooh.
Zoro out there.
Right. Him and Brooke. Pull up on Zoro then. Ooh, let's go.
Got the wrong one. How far away are they?
Kizaru. Respect.
It won't even matter, huh?
Send everyone to Egghead. Send everyone.
I mean, you gotta have some people on those ships, though. I ain't tripping off all them ships, G. Just gonna be a lot of cannon fire. We gotta duck and dodge.
Kizaru's a big dog.
He's a problem.
That's a major one. Then we gotta scrap with the Seraphim. Only until the Seraphim pull up on Vegapunk or the satellites. Because Vegapunk and the satellites have more control than CP0.
Right.
So you got Kuma. He's flying into the red line. Trying to get to the grand line. Trying to go through. I wish he would have got higher in the sky. It's a bad look. He ain't even there right now, though. He on autopilot mode.
It seems like a little bit, yeah.
And surely we're not inside the Grand Line. It would be so sick for Kuma to pull up here like this and then become a slave again after we worked so hard to free him and get him up out of this situation.
The process and everything.
Oh, bro.
You just fly off on your own.
Oh, that'd be so gross if that's what happens.
He better get away somewhere.
What if he was pulling up on Lelouch and that used to be the old Sorbet Kingdom or something?
Sure ain't around no more.
Yeah, but he's going somewhere. He might be going to Sorbet Kingdom or something. I thought he was going to Egghead or something, but now I don't know.
Right.
Somebody from within might be setting Vegapunk up. Maybe one of the satellites. But I can't see an aspect of himself betraying himself without him knowing it.
Yeah, we share the same brain.
Right, we all connected to the same network. That doesn't make sense, but who else would shut down the security system?
Right. I think it was like Catch-22 with whatever the heck he was calling for help with.
Right.
Like, it's got to come down from wherever he at to get through. I'm thinking. I'm hoping.
But when he said that he was going to get help from that person, and everybody heard it, that he made the call, we didn't know summoning them would make the dome go down. What are we doing?
True.
They seem confused like that ain't even that person. They don't know who to blame right now.
Right. We got hacked. Vegapunk still got hacked.
But who hacked him? Who's smart enough to hack Vegapunk?
Right.
CP0 had no clue who did that.
They were scared to even take it.
Right? For real. I ain't going up there. And Kaku hard-headed. He done got hit with the laser beam technology defense system. Yeah, they pulling up on the ship. And that's where Zoro is. Because we were saying maybe Zoro got lost or something, but nah, I forgot. He stayed back with Brooke.
Yeah.
So they pulling up on Brooke and Zoro. Kaku better have stepped his game up.
Brooke might take Kaku. We ain't got nobody else. That's a mismatch. 2 on 3.
Yeah.
We're down a man.
We must protect this house.
That's tough, yeah.
Pawpaw pulling up to the Beehive. Like and subscribe.
Pull up.
Ain't gonna be no dubs over here either. I'm sorry.
It's gonna be Kaku.
The rematch?
He loves his ships. And we knocked out, bro.
Sleep.
Look at Zoro spread out.
You can see him? Oh, dang, he is just sleeping out there. He in there going for the tea. Aw. Aw. What's up, bro?
What a guy.
Can you dig it, sucker?
Taking care of the sun. Ooh, from the heavens like that. On the Sanji.
Yeah. Stole a little bit of that.
Hit him with the spinner Rooney.
Oh, no. Zoro's gonna wake up at the nick of time, though. You know he don't sleep heavy when it come down to attacks.
He did that.
The
Turn
sky
up, Kaku.
slicer. Yeah.
That ain't sweet. Taking a sweet time, though. Get that out of here. What is that? Trash. From my sleep. Who want that smoke?
With the blinky on him.
He upped it immediately, bro. From all cleaning the what the smoke.
Yeah.
Naturally.
Naturally.
Yeah, that's clean. He woke up with a headache too.
Giraffe.
One of my victims.
That was a good fight though. For the time.
Yeah, it was a major fight. Giraffe raff. Watch your mouth.
Riff raff.
Yeah, giraffe raff.
Oh, dang, he ran it back for real. It looks way better now.
Right, he's pissing me off. You about to get dropped off. That's my favorite part. Oh, it's back online?
We're gonna trap him in. Or CP0 in.
Yeah.
Trying to keep old girl out though, maybe.
We just gotta handle business. Somebody deactivated the dome though.
Right.
To let them in, so. We at it.
Oh, we need that ship too.
Yeah. Been ready to cut up. Ambush them.
She don't know how to stop herself.
Right, and they on the ship.
Good question.
Yeah, they about to get beat down. There's a lot of hitters they in here trapped with.
Talking about the Seraphim?
CP0.
Yeah, they are. They're gonna get beat down. Finally.
Right. Dang, Jinbei. He was breathing hard. We was running though. But we got trust issues.
Nice.
Oh yeah, the man's pulling up too. Kazaru. I lit. That's what that song said.
Why don't we just beat him up?
So we gotta beat her up too.
He went to the control room with the others.
There she go. Getting chased. Dang.
He already on his neck.
Good dodge.
He elusive.
Yeah. I took off on her. Said, I'm a
That
wheel.
scream.
He knows the best routes.
Yes.
Your dad left something. Posters.
She's a pro at that already. Hey. Oh, I thought she got him.
No, he teleported. Stop playing with him.
Oh, yes or no?
Simple.
Oh. Bow.
It's complicated. He probably
Backward.
can.
He said he
made a
can.
vow. He said he can't give her a yes or no. I'm out.
She put some hockey on that one.
He's smooth with it though.
Yeah. Clumsy in a way.
Oh, right here. My bad. Dang. Come on, Vegapunk. He getting older.
Oh no. Welcome, Dan Bonnie.
BBL Bonnie. Pulling up on him. With the Sabo pipe.
For real.
It's very villainous. Stall him out, Bonnie. There's a reason.
Please.
Might
I
be a
would like
promise. Something that Kuma made him do.
to know. Probably has some type of noble cause behind it in the end.
Here we go. A playback. Who, Bonnie? Is she an experiment? Presented by Lufield.
Yes.
Yeah.
The mad scientist.
That's her right now.
He not gonna fall for that.
Dang. She played him.
He's falling for it big time.
Yep, you see it. What is that?
Her
Big body. Ooh. Brolic Bonnie.
It won't bring your dad back.
Ooh, dang, she landed. What's happening to my boy? No! Knock the gems out that fool.
Oh,
Whoa!
baby.
Dang. What happened to your boy? You tripping with this? Give me my years back. Made his years pop out. Oh, so you lucky.
Oh yeah, talk to me.
Alright. It's gonna crush your world. She's a modified human herself. An experiment. Yeah.
We want all of the details right now.
Ah. In this condition?
He's gonna fall back down again.
Dang. You hate to see this.
Aww.
Jacking up, baby Vegapunk. What's for you? Snipers.
Cannon fire.
Ruthless.
Dang.
Dang. That's my boy. Bow. Whoo. Here, tank. Help you. That was sad.
Is help coming?
Oh, it's her. Another model. Oh no. Another Bonnie. It's got to do with you.
He's got a door.
Please. Oh,
He's got a door.
it's got a big lock on it.
Yeah, he flat out lied. Got nothing to do with Kuma. With a big old Kuma door.
That's her in there.
Oh.
Made it old. That's fire, bro.
Yeah.
She got a dope ability.
She's breaking and everything. But it looked like
It's
Kuma
Bonnie.
was there when she was like a baby modified.
It looked like it only had like 3 dots as opposed to Kuma's 4. For the paw, it's Bonnie.
He might as well go ahead and run.
Oh, it's that paw power source.
She in there.
Oh, that's him. Maybe that's the essence of him, his soul. Stored in that paw? I don't know, bro.
That's Kid.
Where's Kid going? Are they trying to find that old man? Where were they at in Wano? We saw Heat putting in work. Right. We beat Big Mom. You missing some pieces to that puzzle though, brother. Ooh, Hellbath? Ooh.
I'm about to go over there and get slapped down. Stop playing.
Talking to a big dog.
Garp?
Live a little. Excuse me. Ooh, pulling up on Blackbeard. I'm me. I do what I want. He about to save Kobe. Full of lead?
What? Here where?
Oh, he pulling up the G14.
Oh, we sad about Kobe.
From here.
Yeah, come on out.
Get your ass outside right now. I know you in there crying. The legend. The big dog.
He gonna jump out there from the window.
Ah, I see you.
Let's go get our guy. He gonna shake the snitching. Blackbeard got our guy. Yeah.
Like he ain't heard the news.
Oh.
Right. She look like a granddaughter.
Get on board. Ah.
Just us. My favorite thing to do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Young Cap.
You know it's real. He means that. He means that. I want to see it so bad.
I got
I want
chills.
to see it so bad.
Let's go, Garp. Oh no! I'm scared for my boy.
Baby. We'll beat the H out of all of them and take back Kobe.
Oh no!
Get on board.
Oh,
I couldn't wait for this to happen. I am so happy to say it.
Oh,
Yeah.
what if my guy go out there and get killed?
Ooh.
Garpeth.
Shut up.
Imagine how much more luster that would add to Blackbeard versus Luffy when they finally kick off. He go down there to save Kobe. It's Blackbeard. Look, they can't have Blackbeard lose to Garp, bro. Unfortunately.
Well, he gonna
At
have
this
to
stage
run.
of the storyline,
He can run and drop Kobe off. You got him. I'm out. I'm cool with that. I'll take that. He gonna feel a few of them. Big conquerors. Big hands. It's gonna hit him. He gonna hit a little lump in his brain.
It's gonna hurt bad.
And he gonna be like, all right, yeah, you got it, bro.
Nah.
I'll see you later.
Not this stage in the game. It can't happen.
Yeah.
What if you got the whole gang there, bro? He pulling up to the
He
honeycomb
ain't been the
hideout.
whole gang since the new world.
96. But we just got Law.
This is gonna be him and two others.
We got the poneglyphs from Law.
But that shouldn't even be over with yet. What you mean?
Garp pulling up to the Beehive. He's got to see Blackbeard there. Maybe he don't. Maybe he doesn't then. But who at the Beehive then? San Juan, Battleship, Okaji, Shiryu,
Okay.
Catalina and them. The Beehive still wild and ratchet.
Okay, yeah.
Ooh, but Garp versus Blackbeard though, bro.
That would be wonderful. He needs this.
He can't just bring Garp in because Garp doesn't have a devil fruit. He's all hockey hands.
Yeah.
He's
yeah.
Mr. Hockey, bro.
Yeah, I'm seeing All Might in this.
I can't wait to watch Garp throw hands.
I'm seeing All Might Superman type levels of hands.
Of hands. Casually being thrown.
Yeah, casually.
Smiling.
What? Him and Goldie handled the rocks.
But he's older now. We gotta keep that in mind.
That just means more strength.
Nah, there's a deterioration process just like Ray Lee felt.
They
Ray
shrink,
Lee said
though.
I can't see him head on.
You'll see him shrink. You can see the shrivelage. Like you got.
Ray Lee said with the way I am now, with the way he is now, I can't even see your boy head on, honestly.
I think Ray Lee be a little.
Nah, he's wise. Cause Blackbeard's him, bro. You gotta know Blackbeard's him, and the ultimate battle is gonna be him and his creativity versus Luffy and his creativity. And Blackbeard gonna be in his element against Luffy. It's gonna be one of the best fights ever animated. Blackbeard and Luffy, cause Blackbeard get creative with his big body and earthquake and be in the middle of falling and earthquake tremor stop his fall.
He do. He keep the contact going.
Right hand vicious, left hand vicious.
Yeah.
You need to take one of them away.
Yeah.
Give him the crocodile treatment. I'm scared to see Garp fight Blackbeard because the story's propelling Blackbeard to be contender for King of the Pirates. He has to get by Garp then. That's the scary part for me because I don't want to see Garp come out here and take an L. And do you know how much more ratchet it'll make the storyline if Blackbeard was to kill Garp? You know what I'm saying? After he done set Ace up and got him killed. Even though Garp's my favorite character, I would do that.
No, Blackbeard's your favorite character. You're taking a side.
Garp's my favorite.
Showing a bias.
Garp's my favorite. Garp is my favorite character.
I like the allure Garp, you know what I'm saying?
I ain't like Blackbeard till 150 something once I realized he was Blackbeard. I like Garp ever since he adopted Kobe and Hillable. Marine Ford Garp. When he hit Marco, hit his whole body, and then sat in the big dog Admiral chair by himself because the other admirals was fighting.
Yeah.
It's the biggest boss. The way he was looking, they don't call him the hero for nothing, bro. I've always liked the mystique of Garp. Hands down my favorite character in the show. And then Blackbeard. Then Luffy.
You just reminded me of that movie, bro. The
War
War
the
the Best, and Garp got to sit down and watch and not be approached for the most part.
For the most part. But he let some stuff slide. He let Luffy hit him and knock him out. You know what I'm saying? He was playing the part because he wanted Ace to be saved.
Yeah.
But he couldn't aid in it. I wonder if old buddy gonna pull up. That's with G14 that Helena Poe was begging. Groose. Prince Groose. Because he was begging him like, pull up the full of lead. You can do it. I believe in you.
He gonna fill the ship up, bro. He ain't going solo, though.
I'm real excited to see Garp pull up.
Yeah.
But I'm nervous for my boy, though.
Man, let's forget about the whole episode.
Yeah, that was major. That changed everything.
Zoro fought Kaku.
Bonnie put up on Vegapunk. He said that it's a promise between him and Kuma that he can't reveal to her concerning why he became a cyborg, why his soul is gone. I think that room Bonnie went into might contain Kuma's actual soul. Maybe his soul is in that pawpaw energy source. I don't know.
That's what he's using to make the clones out of.
It seemed like Bonnie might be a clone, maybe. Or Bonnie was a modified human from the Mad stuff.
Didn't he put the pawpaw fruit on the Seraphim?
The S-Bear.
So that's probably the source of where he's moving that to. You know, how you do that.
If Kuma is in the Seraphim, then he might be the ultimate controller of the Seraphim. Even above the Celestials.
That'd be fire.
That might be the energy source. That might be her dad right there, for real. And maybe they all have an essence of his soul inside of them.
It's got something to do with why he trying to climb the red line right now, though. He trying to get back to his little energy orb source and to get his soul and spirit back.
Vegapunk wanted to let Bonnie know, I would never do something that your father didn't want. He asked for that. I ain't even want to do it. So, don't blame me. But I can't tell you why. He made me promise you. I'm a real one. I ain't saying nothing. Bow! Stop abusing me. She's abusing me. Good episode. Looking forward to the next Holla at Your Boys Route.
The difference between us and scale is so vividly obvious. While in the studio, I become Uberage and then I start treating the beat like the mafia. You think Daenerys just holla Jakartas, cause fire's proceeding from Heatah's esophagus. Me and my partners all represent Charlotte, the city that's North Carolina's metropolis. And we've been patiently waiting to display our greatness, showcasing our lyrical dominance. And to be